In an effort to fulfill the dietary requirements of infants, particularly of those who are currently taking shelter at relief camps of displaced persons of violence-hit Manipur, the Manipur State Rural Livelihoods Mission under Department of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj launched Mama's Nutrimix, a complementary food for infants, on Thursday. According to a report of 𝐻𝐒𝐑𝐋𝐌 Network, the Nutrimix was handed out to as many as 16 infants at Manipur Trade and Center Relief Camp 𝐿𝑎𝑚𝑏𝑜𝑖 in Imphal West District. The relief camp currently lodges 585 IDPs from Kangpokpi, Kakching, Sugnu, Sero, Churachandpur and Bishnupur districts. Chief Secretary Dr. Vinit Joshi, who attended the program as a chief guest, launched Mama's Nutrimix. The state chief secretary, along with the dignitaries present at the launching program, interacted with the IDPs and the children at the relief camp. Interacting with 𝐻𝐒𝐑𝐋𝐌 Network, Dr. Joshi said that the state government plans to distribute the complimentary baby food to 12,000 infants of 9 to 24 months staying at relief camps across the state. He also lauded MSRLM for coming up with such a venture and appealed to self-help groups to come up with such products. State Mission Director of MSRLM, N. Bandana, explained how the pilot project was taken up. While undertaking livelihood activities with the inmates of relief camps across the state, it came to light, in general, dietary deficit of children, particularly infants, while nutrient supplements were provided by the Social Welfare Department through its S&P program. Complementary infant food was not sufficiently provided as it is very expensive in the market. Hence, in an earnest effort to work towards fulfilling the dietary deficit of infants, MSRLM came up with the idea of an infant complementary food, she said. Bandana further added that 4,100 kgs of the Nutrimix would be the monthly requirement for the total number of infants staying at relief camps across the state, and this would require a budget of 12 lakhs rupees to produce it. She conveyed that a proposal for the fund requirement for the complementary infant food requirement has been submitted to the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, by the state government and is hopeful of its approval. During the infant food launching function, Imphal West District Administration, in collaboration with the State Agriculture and Horticulture Departments, also distributed winter crop seeds like cauliflower, peas, mustard, onion, potatoes, etc. to the inmates of the relief camps. Additional Chief Secretary Rural Development and Panchayati Raj M.H. Khan, Commissioner of Health and Family Welfare Pradeep Kumar Jha, Deputy Commissioner Imphal West District D.H. Kiran Kumar, State Mission Director National Health Mission Dr. Somorjit Ningombam, and President Rotary Club of Imphal and MS RIMS Dr. Sanjeev Nepram were among the dignitaries at the launch event.